nakikita ritong movement, action, taking place. But with the moon card energy, I think there's something here. Actually, not confusing talaga. Pero parang may hidden or somewhat na secret na supposedly dapat ma-reveal. Dapat ma-reveal. Yes. Okay. So, action is being taken place. This could be a little bit confusing kind of thing. A little bit confusing. But I do pick up that it is something here na secret pero dapat ma-reveal. Oh. Yeah. Talagang pwede na ako maging detective. Tutupahin ko na talaga si Detective Conan. Yan, no? There's a lot of attraction in this type of situation here if you're dealing here with someone. Okay? But I think, yeah, there's realization already about the situation here. But see, look at that. Meron talagang kailangan ditong mapalaya and it has something to do with truth. Yan, no? Naalala ko na naman tuloy yung kanta sa May Demon, no? Tell me the truth. Yan, no? Tell me the truth. What is that truth? Huwag kayo mag-alala, ready to reveal naman na. Yan yung the moon energy. And someone here feels like he or she, no, parang a little bit na parang nawawala siya sa sarili niya, no. Ayan. Ano namang ginagawa niyo? Nagsampay na ba kayo? Tinanggal mo na ba yung mga sampay sa sampayan? Tinupi mo na ba yan? Sigurado ka pang nalagyan mo yan ng downy popcorn. Hindi po ko endorser niya. Okay. So, tinan natin kung ano nangyayari dito, no? Oh, so we have here divine counterparts. We've got this high priestess energy and there's this hierophant. Perfect. So I do pick up right here that for others of you, you could be connected already with this person or connecting na kayo sa isa't isa ngayon, nag-uusap, no? At yung ibang mga babes na pwedeng meron na rito ang nangyayari, no? Na something na napo-form na harmonious, no? Na meron na rito special na connection na namumuo rito. Yan, no? For others of you, hindi pa siya dumadating sa life ninyo, but soon this person will. Yan, no? So nakita ko rito na with the Ace of Swords energy, I do pick up that it has something to do with communication. Parang kailangan na may pag-usapan rito, no? Kasi I do pick up na parang meron ditong pananahimik or meron kayong kailangan pag-usapan, kind of thing, no? About this connection here. So, tinan natin, alamin natin yan because the death is right here. Mukhang meron kailangan ditong maputol. And what I'm picking up more likely right now, like right at this very moment, no? May kailangan ritong maputol or ikat, no? At I think it has something to do with pananahimik, no? Pananahimik or ano ba tong dapat ninyong pag-usapan, no? Kasi alam mo, tahimik kasi parehas tong the High Priestess and the Hierophant energy ng mga mahal. Pero, I think you both are feeling the same way. Okay? Meron lang kailangan dito na ikat or tapusin, no? And I think it has something to do with dapat ninyo itong pag-usapan ng direkta or straightforward. Yan, no? So, pwede naman kasing mag-usap. Pwede yung pag-usapan, mga mahal, no? Kung ano man ito. So, yan. Tingnan natin. No? Pero, sa nakikita ko, parehas kayo ng nararamdaman dito, ha? Parehas kayo ng nararamdaman. Yun yung nasa-sense kong vibe. Okay? So, you both like each other. You like this person here, and this person likes you as well. That's the energy. Let's keep moving, no? Para makakuha pa tayo ng iba pang mga pwede nating pag-usapan or ichika. Okay, so tingnan natin. Yeah, definitely. Okay. So, ilatag naman natin lahat, mga mahal, no? Ayun na nga, sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Hmm. Pwede talagang mag-usap, no? Ibubukan niyo lang yung bibig niyo, mga babes, no? At magsalita. Actually, both of you, no? Yan. Yun na nga. Oh, see? Confirm, no? Tama, mga babes, no? Ang ating nakukuha ritong enerhiya sa sitwasyon na ito, no? With you involving this person here. So, yeah, Eight of Wands energy, Page of Cups, at yun na nga. Diba? See? Harapan kayo, oh. Diba? Harapan kayo nitong tao na to. So, yeah. Okay, so hi and hello everyone! Hi new subscribers! By the way, my name is Yan, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta po sa akin dito sa channel na ito. So yun nga, nawala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip those if you want, you can do that. This is general reading right here. And do not forget that of course, this is not for everybody, kaya naman, no, just take only what resonates, and of course, you have your free will. Yan. So, sa iba pwedeng ito ay tapos na, sa iba ay pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan, at sa iba naman ay pwedeng hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future. So, we have here this High Priestess energy, okay? Death card right here, and there's this Hierophant energy. Okay? So, yung iba, no, feels like new connection yan. You are talking with someone here with nakikita mo, no, na parang special siya, may nararamdaman ka para sa kanya, and this person feels the same way if you are asking about that, because there's a lot of nababalot na confusion. Yan. Kaya nga the top energy, and which is the advice that I'm picking up as well, is this Ace of Swords energy. Truth. Ang katotohanan ay parehas ninyong gusto ang isa't isa. May feelings na namumuo rito, no? Meron na ring actions na nangyayari, pero alam mo yon, meron ditong parang naghi-hesitate. Hindi in taking action na nagdadalawang isip kung gusto kanya or hindi, no? Sure na. Gusto kanya talaga, no? May feeling siya sa'yo, no? May pagmamahal pa nga rito, eh, no? At pwede pa itong mauwi sa seryoso, no? Na koneksyon. Pero ang nakikita kong a little conflict dito, no, is since this is bago, since this is new right here, okay? Ang nangyayari kasi rito, may mga actions na nangyayari, no? We're in nagre-respond yung isa't isa. So, ganito, okay? So, may mga sweet na mga moments nang nangyayari, like for let's just say, this person here invites you out for a lunch. Sabay tayong kain. Tapos, this is you na nagkakaroon na kayo ng pag-uusap, no, you are happy, no, talking about everything under the sun, no, nasi-share niyo sa isa't isa, you laugh together, ginagawa niyo yung mga bonding moments together, no, I'm seeing na nag-selfie pa kayo together, yan, no? Okay, so whatever the case may be, may mga gano'n na moments, no? Like let's say, may mga sweet moments, no, na mas higit pa doon. Like literally, pwedeng this person here is pwedeng nag-holding hands na kayo, yan. Or let's say, this person here, okay, is parang inakbayan ka na niya. May mga action ako nakikita rito eh, no? May mga action ako rito nakikita, pero nagko-hold back rito. Because I do feel like, okay na eh. May mga ganun na, no? Parang parehas na kayo ng nararamdaman. Parehas kayo nako-confuse. Parehas kayo nag-hesitate, no? Kasi parang it feels like accidentally, no, kung nahawakan niya man yung kamay mo, no, hindi mo yun inalis, and that person already is being sent ng signal coming from you na, ay, gusto rin niya ako. Pero, kailangan pa rin ng confirmation. May hesitation dito, oh. Parang ikaw to na parang kinakausap ka ng friend mo. So, ano na nga? So, kayo na? Ikaw to na, eh, o ano naman, nag-uusap naman kami. Okay naman. May mga sweet moments naman kami. So, ano nga, kayo na? boyfriend, girlfriend na kayo, mag-on na kayo. Yan, no? Eh, ikaw to na hindi mo masagot, ay, hindi pa kami official na kami. Yan, kasi walang pag-uusap. Yan, no? Nag-hesitate yung person na yun, nahawakan ulit yung kamay mo. Okay? Kasi walang confirmation. Ganun yung nakikita ko dito sa sitwasyon na 'to 'no. Gusto ka niyang i-kiss, pero walang confirmation. So, parang feeling niya nagiging disrespectful siya dun or baka magulat ka na bigla ka niyang kinis 'no. You know what, sometimes 'no, you need to tell it directly at yun yung nangyayari sa sitwasyon ninyo 'no, na parang parang, "Uy, tayo na, parang you are mine and I am yours." Yan, ang taray. So, kailangan ng gano'n pero gusto niyong gawin yun sa isa't isa yung ginagawa ng mga labi-dabis, holding hands while walking, akbay while talking 'no, or while sitting on a bench 'no. Gusto mong ihilig yung head mo sa shoulders niya, no, and this person wants to do that as well kasi walang confirmation. Hindi nyo alam kung kayo na ba talaga. Kasi wala pang direktang ganun. Pero you're already feeling na parehas niyong gusto yung isa't isa, parehas kayong special sa isa't isa, parehas kayong may feelings. Pero hindi niyo pa napag-uusapan diretso na nagkakahiyaan pa rito na parang walang nauunang magtanong na, "Uy, tayo na ba? Uy, ano na ba? Tayo na ba? O ano, o hindi pa?" Pero every time na magkasama kayo 'no, gusto niya na parang hawakan yung kamay mo, naghe-hesitate siya kasi siyempre 'no, walang confirmation. Yan, yun yung kailangan niyong i-cut. Oh, ang pananahimik, pero parehas kayo rito na na actually ang ganda nga, eh, kasi lumabas kayo bilang divine counterpart na High Priestess and Hierophant. Okay, this is a very spiritual connection. Like you understand your feelings for each other. Naiintindihan mo. At napakaganda nito kasi ito yung klase ng connection na kahit bago, may assurance tayo na pang long term na ito. Yes, coming from me, of course. Nakita ko yun dito kasi yun yung sinasabi ng angels and spirit guides ninyo. If this reading resonates with you, honey. Okay. So yeah, let's keep moving from here. So yun nga, no, dahil nga, hindi naman sa tahimik kayo or what, pero kailangan kasi rito ng komunikasyon. Communication para matuldukan ang agam-agam. Komunikasyon para magkaroon ng linaw. Yan, no? Kasi hindi mo alam kung lovers na ba kayo, nakatalikod pa ito. No? Pero tingnan mo, pinagsasaluhan nyo rito ang parehas na emosyon. There's balance already in this type of connection and there is a chance for others na pwedeng kayo ay twin flame or yung iba ay soulmate. You could be owning here a pet, could be a cat or a dog or any animal, could be fish or hamster, rabbit, whatever. Okay? Pero kung wala, I do pick up that you have this kind of energy ng mga pets, no? Which is yung very sweet, 'di ba? And very clingy, no? Not to the point that it's irritating, but it's comfortable kind of thing. Na, no? Nag-holding back together at nag-holding back, no, na hawakan yung kamay mo because yun nga, hindi niya alam or hindi mo alam kung kayo na ba talaga. And you both are ganun, no? So, para matuldukan dito, mag-usap na kayo at nakikita ko na pag nag-usap na kayo dito with the Six of Pentacles energy, no? Seven of Coins energy, Three of Cups, and there's this Two of Cups. Magiging tuloy-tuloy na rito, no? Ang pagiging malandi nyo sa isa't isa. Malaya na kayo sa agam-agam at pwede na kayo rito mga babes, no? Na maging official na kayo, no? So, nakikita ko dito na masaya kayo ngayon, pero mas magiging masaya kayo, no? Kung araw-araw na is may laya na kayo mag-holding hands, kiss, at okay, akbayan no, ang isa't isa at maging proud na jewars yung isa't isa. Ayan ang nakikita ko rito, no? So, meron kayo rito singles, kasali rin kayo rito mga mahal. Kung wala pa to sa buhay ninyo, ganyan na ganyan na mangyayari sa inyo. Confusion. Gusto niya ba ako? Oo, alam ko gusto niya ako eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung kami na, pero nag-holding hands kami, ha? Diba? So yeah, sometimes, no, kailangan natin yung confirmation, no? So talk it out. Heart-to-heart conversation is the key. I do pick up that Eight of Wands energy, Page of Cups energy. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, harapan kayo rito. So, if this person here will offer and tell it directly to you by words, yun yung kailangan kasi dito sa sitwasyon na ito, babe. Okay, if this is your reading. Okay. This person, someone here has to take that one step put forward and mag-speak out. Alam mo kasi, collective. I really like you at alam kong ramdam mo yon. I mean everything na ginagawa ko for you. Can we be officially together? Pwede ba kita maging girlfriend? Pwede ba kita maging boyfriend? And I'm seeing you accepting that offer. Or baliktad kayong dalawa. Vice versa. Parehas, may pagtanggap rito ng offer. See? Ganun lang kadali. So, bakit niyo pa ako sinali dito? Talk it out. See, I'm seeing you that you are already on the same page with each other. You are both waiting, okay? But there's already this type of feeling, a celebration right here that you are each other's the one. You feel like this is your soulmate right here. And this person also feels the same way towards you. And this is all about what I'm seeing right here. It's definitely love is in the air already. But you're, okay, gonna confirm this. Yan, no? Well, tapos ang usapan, you both like each other, talk it out, and then get officially together. Change your status in a relationship sa inyong social media accounts, no? Pwede nyo nang gawin yan. Or you can tell na, Yadara! Ano? Ito yung boyfriend ko, or ito yung girlfriend ko. Yan, no? May laya na kayong gawin yan. See? I go. Yeah. Iba kasi, no, first time ma-in love ng ganito. Para sa iba, no, this is your first boyfriend and first girlfriend. So, yeah. For others, no, this is not your first boyfriend or girlfriend, no, pero you are in this type of situation. So, yeah, this is a very cute and lovely couple right here. So, yeah, I'm seeing you right here giving more to each other in the near future. And this is something here long term. Yeah, I'm already seeing that, even though this is something here new for you guys. So yeah, claim this collective. Sarang Hey, love and light. And